Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh,
Oh guys, what's up? Yeah, the music is over now, so I will be speaking here for a few minutes. Guys, this idea is taken like he gave me a recommendation called Dev C. The channel link, his video is in the description. He gave me the idea like I knew this character, but I didn't know if I should draw it. But he told me I should, so I'm drawing it. Please subscribe to his channel. They'll see if you are saying like, subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. Also, the channel link and his fusion video is in the link description. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the drawing. See you guys next time in the next video. Bye.